Okay, so we're going to look at the initial setup that you need to get your laptop working here in the new newsroom. And the first thing to say is that when you come to a workstation, you'll find one of these cables you need to plug in to the side of the machine. And this accounts not just for the internet that's going through it, but also for the power going through it, and also spreads the machine across all the different screens. Don't worry if you see this screen, just hit continue. If you see this login, you've either set it yourself or there's one for the freelance logins, which will be provided to you. Put that through. And now log in using your regular ITN login. Okay, so this is now opened up. If I just pull back a bit, it's going across all the different screens, but at the moment, as you can see, all the three screens are showing exactly the same thing. I tend to find it's best if I put my smallest screen in the middle at the back there, and then pull these up so that they're kind of in line while that's still logging on. Also use the mouse. I use this keyboard to be more comfortable than the other one. So I've got my main screen here, but what I want to do is rather than have the same thing showing 3 times over the different screens, I want it so that I've got one here, another here, another here. So what I do is I go to a bit of the blue screen and I right click and go to display settings, the one that's second from the bottom. That opens up the display section, and at the moment it's showing everything across one screen, but if I scroll down here to multiple displays and go to extend desktop on 1 and 2, that is now going to spread everything out across all 3 screens. I'm going to hit keep changes there. Now that's good, but if I scroll back up on here, what it thinks has happened now is that all 3 screens are in a straight line, with this one at the bottom in the middle. And if I hit identify here, number 2 for some reason over on the right, and number 3 over on the left. So that's not going to work the way I want it to. What I need to do is drag down screen number 1 to the bottom, drag screen number 2 over to the left, drag screen number 3 over to the right, like that. If I hit apply, what happens now is that I can move my mouse wherever I want to in the way that I'm looking, and it works exactly like my setup.